Hello everyone, my name is Rifat Hassan, and in this video we'll learn how to create a video from text. So you can say that how to convert text into a video. And why this tutorial is important is for bloggers and affiliate marketing website owners. Google in from our previous research and a lot of things like previous algorithm, we understand that Google ranks a page when it has a video in it, because Google thinks it is a positive view and people and audience always get on to watch videos, and it becomes more easy for them to understand a topic when a blog or article have video on it. And Google easily ranks it up, and it gives a competitive advantage as well. So this is why and I have been using this method for a while now, and I'm getting a great results. So this is why I decided to do a quick video on this. And the tool I'm going to use and I have been using is, it is a very basic one. It is the pictory. You can find it on their website. The pricing, it has a monthly pricing, and but it was recently available on AppSumo on a lifetime deal, or you can also purchase it from other service providers. Okay, so quick overview is done, I think. So let's get to work now. For example, this is the article I want to create a video on, and video and publish it on my YouTube channel, and then I would like to link it on this blog page to give it a competitive advantage and give it a push on to rank better, right? So the question, the article is about what does I also mean in basketball, right? So we need to find, we'll always have to include the answer as well to the video. So I'm just going to copy the wordings from there. Like, have you ever doesn't follow yes and okay, so let's copy this area. I'm just going to keep this tutorial as short as possible. Just going to show you the basics. So I just copied here. So yes, we will tell you about it here in this video. It would be video, right? And then started. This is how the videos scripts are, right? So I okay, what does this actually mean? So or isolation plays are common. Okay, what is an answer? The trainer meaning speaking the IOS is a ISO is a universal manipulation. Let's see, copy. All right. If you play basically, you probably as well. Okay. We'll just see if that covers the whole topic of the video. Alright, so let's just say, let's just give it a quick read. ISO or isolation plays are common strategies used in and it is intended to advantage another. If you play which has is different, the terms are like if they are fastest player, it will up and something. As always, commonly users the end of the game, so it is much. I think it's an end. We just delayed it here. It is, this word is written for, as I understand, just to make the article reader friendly. And I will add if you enjoy. Right now, yes, let's assume this is the script, okay? And all right, so we're going to copy it and paste it. This section, script to video, you'll have to purchase this software on a monthly basis or get it from a group buy tool. You can also comment me if you need the software. I will help you out with this. All right, so paste it up here. It is not mandatory to enter a video title. So what is important here is you separate the text. The texts are not too long for, like, for it is a tool that will sync up with video, so we'll not be able to get longer videos, and it is better if we separate the wording and do not have it have longer sentences there. It works well that way. I'm giving the quick tips that I know worked for a while and understood how it works best. So yeah. Alright, so the videos look good. I creating it will be less than a minute, but I just test. I'm just giving an idea how to create that. Then we'll hit proceed. It is for the YouTube versions. It is for TikTok or Shorts, and it is for Instagram, Facebook version. So we're going to use a landscape one. We're going to publish it on YouTube. There is one. We're going to choose that version. Give it a while. It is going to load and take a while to show the result. For this case only, I'm going to pause the video and a couple of minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to load the full content. I'll just get back to you. So it just loaded up, and you can see the video is here. So it is the branding icon. We can make it change there. If you go to the settings and just remove it, and then I go to my projects and then open the video. We just have loaded. It is still there, but I think when we complete the video and load it up, it will go away. All right, and you can also always insert your branding icon from the settings there. All right, so first of all, we're going to load each of the sessions and see if the video is correct, right? And what I'm going to do now is going to choose the voiceover, the amazing function that the pictory has. It has the voiceover, and I found as a male voice it works best. This voice Matthew, you can check it up, try out all the one. Let's see if we have Sarah. Maybe not. So I have used this one and I found it appropriate, so I'm going to apply this one, and I'm going to see if this video is available. So have you ever wondered about the iOS in basketball? And I'm also, it is appropriate. Now I'm going to have these subtitles, but I'm going to turn it off. So it talks about basketball, and I would like to see a basketball match video, right? So what I'm going to do is look for basketball videos. Okay, I'm going to type in basketball. You can always categorize as image and videos as well. So I'm going to have, I want to have this one here. See, it looks more appropriate and more professional, I think. And the answer is yes. I'm going to have this one as well. Well, we will tell you about it here in this video. It's a very interesting. I will say this one would be perfect. Okay, let's get started. It has all the free videos on in one place, so I'm going to use this one just as an example. Okay, and then I'm going to back to basketball again. So I also has a common strategy using basketball. Okay, so we need another basketball picture. This one player has this one. I know this video. I have been using it for a while. I know which video is best, so we're gonna use this one as well. Okay, this one. Just trying to keep the video as short as possible. Okay. Done. This should be this one. This one. Teams. We're talking about teams. So this one. Defenders. This one would be ideal, I guess. If you enjoy this video, let's search. Let's subscribe to the channel. Or subset. We can use this one. So video is complete, right? Then what you're going to do is, set on preview. It will take a while to load. I understand I'm getting this video a bit long, but I think you found every real thing you need to know to figure out and work with Pictory to create amazing videos for your blog content. So see, it's working well. You can have subtitle, or you can just post them out. Video length is 59, less than a minute. I know it is ideal that you have videos on like if you would like to increase views on YouTube. It is ideal that you have videos in lengthing from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. But for blog section, you would like to spend as less time as possible. So this is why we just kept it. We may keep it to 1 minute to 1.5 and 2 minutes. That'll be ideal. Spending what is another benefit is having video on your blog is like we like to have our audiences, the website visitors spend more time on our website. It is also another algorithm that ranks a website higher on Google search. So once a audience plays video, they start watching and they easily spend a minute or more on the video. So that was a quick video, and what are you going to do after previewing that video? You see that it is perfect, so you're going to generate and then choose video. It will going to load and generate, and then there will be an option to download the video. This is how you create a video in less than 5 minutes. I discussed with you, I spend much time, and this is why it takes maybe around 10 to 12 minutes. But if you do it alone without talking to yourself or teaching anyone, you will be able to create videos lengthing 1 to 2 minutes in less than 5 to 8 minutes. All right, so I think it'd be ideal. And then what you have to do is upload your video and do the YouTube SEO. I will show you around this section in my next videos or when I get time on it. And so the picture is very basic one. When you would like to have your brand or appearance on YouTube, you should do other tools, other advanced tools that I will also try to create video on the in as early as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have been able to learn something new, and let me know your comment what you think about my tutorial video and what tutorial video you would like to have next. Thank you so much, and also let me know if you would like to have access to this software Pictory for free or a least cost possible. Thank you.